Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely high specification Focus. As you can see, it's got front park distance control, it's got the appearance pack upgraded alloy wheels finished in a lovely grey, privacy glass to the rear park distance control, reverse camera by the looks of it there as well. It is in lovely condition throughout. Half leather interior, all in lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Vehicle's covered 103,287 miles. Starts up lovely. Vehicle's just been serviced, just been MOT'd. Got 3-stage heated seats, air conditioning, 6-speed gearbox. Parktronic, satellite navigation, reverse camera, cruise control, auto headlights. This car is really high specification. Bluetooth connectivity as well. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.